What if I told you that you can do the crazy stuff you're about to see in this video with just one photo? What do you say? Look. Insane. What's up? I'm Kibron, and we're in a new video about artificial intelligence. A great new video, of course. Did you know there's an AI that turns a photo into a video with camera movement, facial expressions, and everything in under a minute? And for free, which is the most important part, it's called Hailuo AI. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it, what you can do without paying a cent, and when it's actually worth paying. Stay tuned, because at the end, I'll show you 3 little tricks that almost nobody knows about this AI. For those who don't know me, I'm Kibron, and on this channel, we talk about AI tools that actually work, no hype. Hailuo AI is from Minimax, one of the strongest Chinese generative AI companies, and it's become super popular for the quality of movement it achieves. No more people with weird hands or melting faces like what happened with the first video AIs. No, we're gonna see what it is, how to get in, what you can do for free, and the limits of the free plan so you don't get any surprises. Especially, as you can see, we have a very visual way of looking at this website, this AI. And the truth is that Hailuo AI is an AI video generator that works in 2 ways. You have the text-to-video option, you write a description, and the AI creates the clip from scratch. And you also have the image-to-video option. You upload a photo, and the AI gives it movement as if you were animating it. This AI has camera movement control. You can write things like zoom in, rotate, and follow the character. And the video follows this instruction that you're going to give it. It generates realistic facial expressions, smiles, useful gestures, micro expressions. It supports various styles, realistic, anime, cinematic. Honestly, it's absolutely amazing. If we take a look at the things it can do, that we see it can do, it's an absolute insanity. I showed you this one before, but there are things like, for example, look at this. Check this out with the little. It's incredible. I love it. Because now look, bam, boom, bam. It keeps changing the images. It's spectacular. It's spectacular, really. Let's see another one, for example. Look at this one. From a photo, it manages to make the girl spin around there and grow. This is incredible. Depending on the prompt you give it, it'll do one thing or another. Look at this one, for example. This is crazy. Being able to do things, to look, and to experience both reality and fiction at the same time is truly remarkable. These are crazy things that are actually really good, okay? I want to explain a bit about what matters to all of us, right? The limits of the free plan. Basically, I'll tell you straight so you don't waste your time. There are limited credits. Look, here I have limited credits they gave me for creating the account, okay? The limited credits per day. The free plan gives you a small amount of credits. I'm telling you, they recharge daily. Enough for 2 or 3 short videos a day. No more. Watermark. That's clear. Videos on the free plan come with the Hailuo logo. If you want a clean video, well, you'll have to pay for it, okay? The maximum clip duration is also limited. Each free video lasts a few seconds. The AI is designed for short clips, I'm telling you that too. You don't have access to advanced features that the Pro version has. It's clear everything you have to pay for works better than the free stuff. That's perfect. But what I do have to tell you is what you can learn, okay, with the free plan. And this always comes in handy. What I like most about trying the free way isn't making a free video, but what we learn. What do we learn? How the AI interprets natural language. You'll notice that if you change one word in your prompt, the result changes completely. This teaches you firsthand how these models translate words into movement and visual composition. You'll also be able to learn the difference between generating from text and from image when you animate your own photo versus when you write something from scratch. This is a change that you'll notice by trying one way or the other. Another thing you can learn are the current technical limits of video artificial intelligence. You'll see glitches, a weird hand, a sudden transition, an object appearing out of nowhere. That's not a defect you should ignore. It's a free lesson on where the real limit of this technology is today, something many marketing posts won't show you. Just as you can also learn how to improve prompts through trial and error. You'll develop without paying for any course, a skill that's worth its weight in gold today. Learning to write camera movement, light, emotion in words, and a skill that transfers to other artificial intelligence tools as well, not just Hailuo, but many others. How does the free business model in artificial intelligence work? You're going to learn. You'll understand by seeing how this AI's free version hooks you, right? Leading you to eventually buy it, okay? Because it's going to hook you. To sum it up, Hailuo AI lets you create videos with artificial intelligence, with limited daily credits, of course. It lets you experiment and understand how this AI works. That's actually really nice, especially when you don't have to spend a single cent. If this video was helpful, well, you know what to do, right? Would help me out a lot, okay? And in the comments, let me know which prompt you're going to try first in Hailuo. I read all the comments, and sometimes I test them on video, in the next video, okay? So now you know. I'm telling you to subscribe if you want us to keep testing AI tools like this, unfiltered, showing you the truth of every free plan. See you in the next video. You know, I'm Kibron, and I'm here to help you.